In this question, you have to identify the type of plants in which pneumatophores are found. Now, pneumatophores are specialized aerial roots that grow upward and protrude out of the soil or water surface. And they are characteristic feature of halophytes. That is the plants that grow in saline or waterlogged environments such as mangroves. And these roots help in gaseous exchange by facilitating oxygen uptake in the waterlogged or you can say anaerobic conditions. Hence, the correct answer is option A. Option B is incorrect because these free floating hydrophytes, for example, water hyacinth, float freely on the water surface and they do not require such adaptations. Option C, submerged hydrophytes. This is also incorrect because these plants, for example, hydrilla, are completely underwater and they absorb dissolved gases directly from the water. Option D, carnivorous plants. Now, this is also incorrect because carnivorous plants, such as pitcher plants, obtain nutrients from trapping insects, so they do not have pneumatophores.